Hello and welcome to RYE-KEY 1 Lesson 2. What is RYE-KEY? In the deeper reality beyond space and time, we may be all members of one body. By Sir James Jeans, RYE-KEY is a form of hands-on healing, with its origins in India and the East dating back many thousands of years to the time before Christ and Buddha. The original name, disciplines and techniques of RYE-KEY were lost due to the traditional method of passing knowledge from generation to generation by word of mouth. Exactly when this ancient art of healing disappeared is difficult to determine. However, we do know that it was rediscovered by a Japanese scholar and monk named Dr Mikao Usui. It was in fact Dr Usui who fashioned the name RYE-KEY. RYE, universal key, life force. RYE-KEY is a two-syllable Japanese word meaning universal life force. Although the proper Japanese pronunciation is RYE-KEY, it has been westernized to RYE-KEY. RYE means universal, omnipresent, present everywhere at the same time. Esoterically, RYE means spiritual consciousness, the omniscient wisdom from God or the higher self. Key is the non-physical vitality that gives life to all living things. Many cultures understand and recognize the importance of key energy and how it impacts our lives and well-being. Key energy can be activated for the purpose of healing. When you feel healthy and full of enthusiasm, the flow of key energy in your body is high and unencumbered. Life seems easier to deal with and you have a higher resistance to illness and disease. However, when your key energy is low because maybe you are under stress or feeling unhappy and tired, you will be more susceptible to disease and sickness. Your attitude will be generally negative and you will find it difficult to deal with life's challenges. Key is the very essence of the soul. It leaves the body when a person dies. RYE-KEY is holistic. It works on the body, mind and spirit by stimulating a person's own natural healing abilities. The blocked emotional and physical elements that lead to illness and disease are cleared. RYE-KEY is neither positive nor negative. It is in fact the highest and most profound vibration of life. Divine in origin, it allows us all to become one with all things alive in our world. RYE-KEY is pure, unconditional love and joy, bringing all who experience and embrace its principles together in harmony. The skills and techniques associated with RYE-KEY are simple and easy to learn. Small children and adults can equally comprehend and incorporate this ancient form of healing into their lives. Regular contact with RYE-KEY will bring the recipient's mind, body and spirit into balance. It will also help prevent future creation of illness and disease. RYE-KEY is the greatest secret in the science of energetics, Madam Haweo Takata. Thanks for watching, see you soon.